So in this video, I am going to Sysprep this Windows 11 computer, and I'm also going to capture it with Microsoft MDT. And this is the Microsoft Deployment Toolkit. Now the problem that I have is that when I capture a fresh Windows 11 image, the C drive is not detected. So I'm going to show you how to fix that problem. So I'm going to Sysprep this Windows 11 computer. So I'll go to the C drive, and it's going to be in the Windows folder, System32. So this is the Sysprep folder. I'm going to open it. I'm going to click on the exe file, and in the shutdown options, I'm going to select shutdown. I'll click OK. So I'm going to see what that error is. So the problem is Microsoft OneDrive. So I'm going to remove this package, Microsoft OneDrive Sync. So I'm going to use PowerShell. So this is the package remover command. So I'm also going to run this command to remove the Microsoft OneDrive Sync. And now I'm going to try Sysprep again. So now Sysprep is working. So the OneDrive sync was causing an issue. So I rebooted the computer. So I'm going to be booting from the network. So I'm going to select capture. I'll click on next. Now it says here volume to capture. And when I click on the drop down tab, there's no drive. So C drive is supposed to be listed. And this is the problem that I get when I am capturing a fresh Windows 11 image. So what I have to do, I'll have to go to the command prompt, and I'm going to use diskpart. So I'm going to open up command prompt. So I'm going to type diskpart. I'm going to type list disk. I'm going to select disk 0. I'm going to type list partition. So as you can see, partition 3 is the primary partition. So I'm going to select partition 3. So partition 3 is now selected, and this is what I'm going to type. I'm going to type GPT attributes equal, and I'm going to type 0x. So after the x, I'm going to type 16 zeros. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So that's 16 zeros. I'll hit enter. So to confirm that the automatic assignment is enabled and the drive letter is assigned to the partition, I'm going to use a command for detailed partition. So I'll go back to select this 0. I'll type select partition 3. Hit enter, and I'm going to type detail partition. So it should show up like this with the volume and the letter of the drive as C. So now I'm going to run Sysprep, and I'm going to capture the image. I'll click OK. So I'm booting up the computer. I'm going to boot it from the network. I'll hit F12 on the keyboard. I'm going to click capture Windows 11, hit enter. I'll click next, and it says volume to capture. I'm going to click on the drop down tab. And there it is. The C drive is listed. So this is a solution that I use when I don't see the C drive to capture with Windows MDT. So I'm going to type an image name, Windows 11 again. I'm going to click next. Now I'm going to save this image to a local drive. I'm just going to type Windows 11, click save, click next, and it's capturing the Windows 11 image. So this was the solution that I used. So it's capturing the image. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and I thank you for watching.